38, 39, 40. Okay. Tawa na muna. Grabe. Sino ba kasi nagsabing mag-workout ako ng ganitong oras talaga? Okay. One last set. Kaya pa. 1, 2, 3. Aray. Ayaw na. Kanina pa ako nagpo-push-ups. Bira. Oh, hi baby. Nakauwi ka na pala. Yeah. Hey. Wait. Oh, baby. Easy, baby. What happened? Huh? Anong nangyari? Yakap agad? Come here, baby. Come here. Well, alam mo, sobrang pawis ko ngayon. Katapos ko lang mag-push-ups eh. Pero, parang wala kang pakialam ah. Yakap agad baby ko ah. Hey, baby. Baby, look at me. Look at me. What happened? Huh? Ano meron? Tahimik mo. And you know what? Kapag tahimik ka, alam kong may mali. What happened, my love? Bad day? Yeah? Ako? I knew it. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng pinto, kita ko na agad sa mukha mo eh. Yung tingin mong pagod na pagod. Hindi pong parang gusto mo na lang humiga at mag-disappear saglit. Halika nga. Come here. Yakap muna tayo. That's it. Just breathe, okay? Dahan-dahan lang. I'm here, baby. You're safe. You're safe, okay? Nandito ka na. You're home. We're together na. Wala ka nang kailangang harapin at this time. Ako nang bahala, okay? Okay. You wanna sit down? Gusto mong ikwento? Ano nangyari sa araw mo? Okay. Let's go. Let's sit muna. Yeah. Sensya ka na. Pawis pa ako. But syempre, mabango pa rin to. Okay. So, what happened, baby? Tell me. Tell me about your day. I wanna know it. Okay. Talaga? Damn. Grabe naman yun. And then what happened after? Maybe. I'm sorry to know that. Parang buong araw ang dami mong side quests ngayon na. Hindi pa natatapos yung isa, meron na agad. Hindi ka man lang nakapagpahinga. I understand. And actually nakakainis nga yun eh. Kasi, yung tipong kahit pagod ka na, people are still expecting na okay ka. Diba? It's like, damn, papagod ka rin. Diba? Hindi ka naman robot. But people expect you to be always okay. Diba? Na they think you're always strong. Yeah, you're strong and independent. I know that and I like that personality. But of course, you also get tired. Oh, come here, baby. Hold my hand, okay? Good. Okay. Listen to me, okay? You did well today, baby. You did well. Okay? Hindi man hindi man naging perfect ang araw mo, pero nalampasan mo 'yun. And nakauwi ka, 'di ba? And because of that, sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Hmm? What? Gusto mo ng massage? Massage agad? Like, right now? Baby, pawis pa ako. Sus, wala raw pakialam. Sweet naman ito. Pero hindi pwede. Kawawa ka naman. Kakauwi mo lang tapos lalagyan lang kita ng pawis. Hindi naman pwede yun. Hindi romantic yun. Medyo maasim yun. Okay. Ganito. Let's have a deal. Okay? You take some rest. Relax ka lang muna dyan. If you wanna change your clothes, go ahead. Tapos maliligo lang ako ng napakabilis. Promise. As in mabilis. World record attempt. Okay? Grabe naman. Ano yung tingin na yan? Di ka naniniwala. Mabilis lang ako maligo ngayon. Nagbago na ako. Mabilis na ako maligo. Okay? Okay. Siyempre, medyo matagal. But, I just make sure kasi na malinis, di ba? Na fresh talaga. Pero promise, this time, bibilisan ko talaga. Depende kung hindi ako mabulag ng shampoo. I love you. Baby, I know that today was rough. Pero, andito lang ako ha. Hindi ako mawawala. And, pagbalik ko from the shower, all my attention is yours. Okay? I promise. Okay. Good. Yeah. Go get comfy and I'll be right back. Okay? Wait lang, chill ka lang dyan. Whew. Okay. I'm back. And masasabi ko na, of course, I look fresh. At mas presentable na ako ngayon. At least hindi na ako amoy pawis. Oh, ikaw naman. Look at yourself. Nakapulupot ka na sa kumot, ha? You look like a burrito. Cute. Oh na, cute. Yeah, oh yeah. Cute. Wala kang magagawa. Sige na, baby. Scoot over a little and there you go. Okay. Okay. Let me get this essential oil lang. Perfect. Okay. Ready? Hmm? Okay, good. Relax ka lang. I'll be gentle, baby. I promise. How's that? Okay lang? Hindi masakit? Good. Grabe. Ang tigas naman ng balikat mo, mahal. Parang lahat ng stress ng buong linggo nandito ah. There you go. Dahan-dahan lang. Just relax, my love. Hindi mo kailangan mag-isip muna, okay? Hindi mo kailangan maging productive. And, of course, hindi mo kailangan sumagot ng messages. Okay? Wala kang deadline ngayong gabi. Because all you have to do this time is to relax and enjoy my 5-star massage. Okay. Alam mo, dati actually, hindi ko gets kung bakit gustong-gusto ng mga tao yung magpamassage. Kala ko nga dati parang overrated na siya. Pero ngayon, gets ko na. Hindi naman kasi tungkol sa massage lang. It's also all about, taking care of someone. Lalo na kapag mahal mo, di ba? Ayan. Nagiging corny na naman tuloy ako. Pero di ba baby, totoo naman. Right? I like taking care of you. Especially kapag ganito. Kapag alam kong kailangan mo lang ng pahinga and you need me. Of course, I'm gonna be here. Always. Pero wait, may kwento ako. Alam mo ba nangyari sa akin kanina? Promise. Tatawa ka. So here's what happened. Before ako mag-push-ups, hinanap ko yung phone ko ng mga 10 minutes. As in. Kasi nag-brown out. Like, before ka dumating, siguro mga 20 minutes before ka dumating, nag-brown out saglit. So I was like kind of unprepared na. Siyempre, biglang nag-brown out and sobrang dilim. Nagluluto kasi ako kanina. And of course, ginawa ko naghanap ako ng pwedeng maging ilaw or flashlight para hanapin yung phone ko. Kasi nga ang dilim. So, I grabbed my phone and then I turned on the flashlight and then I was searching my phone sa bed, sa table ko, saan? Lahat. Sa CR. I was searching for my phone for 10 freaking minutes. Di ba napakasabaw? Like, I was looking for my phone using the flashlight of my own phone. Di ba? Like, I don't know. Siguro sobrang sabog lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung pagod ba ako o sadyang tanga lang minsan. Baka pareho. I don't know, but yeah. So, ayun, na lang ako. Dahil doon, nag-push-ups na lang ako kasi parang sabi ko, I need to awaken my mind kasi kaka-doom scroll ko to buong araw eh. Kaya parang wala nang nangyari. Wait lang, you turn your head a little, baby. Ayan, tapos na yung arms mo. Dito naman tayo sa ulo mo. There we go. Good. Kamusta ka na? Mas, mas okay na ba? Do you, do you feel better? A little? Okay. That's already a progress. Pwede na yan. Pero, pero you know what, mahal? Kung pwede lang sana, gusto kong andun sana ako kanina. Hindi naman para ayusin ang lahat. At hindi naman para maging hero at magbida-bida, syempre. But I wish I was there to hold your hand. Para may kasama ka. Kasi minsan yun lang naman yung kailangan natin, di ba? Hindi naman natin kailangan ng advice. Hindi rin solutions. Just presence, di ba? Someone who stays. Hindi pong andyan lang. Kahit tahimik, pero hindi ka iiwan. Saka, baby, I want you to know na ganun ako para sa'yo. Always. Kapag masaya ka, kapag malungkot ka, kapag okay ang mundo. At syempre, kapag gusto mo nang awayin ang buong mundo, andito lang ako. There you go. Mas relaxed ka na. I can feel it. Good. Deserve mo yan. You deserve to be relaxed, my love. Alam mo, minsan, iniisip ko yung future natin. Like, random things lang. Like kung sino sa atin na makakalimot mag-water ng plants. And, spoiler alert, ako yun. Definitely, it's gonna be me. You'll be the one who's gonna be responsible. And I'll be your emotional support. Tsaka, feeling ko, ikaw na rin yung magre-remind sa akin kung kung saan ko nilagay yung phone ko. Because clearly, hindi ko kaya mag-isa. Baby? Oh. Tahimik ka na. Massage working? Good. Good. That's what I wanted. I just want you to relax, close your eyes, at hayaan mo muna lahat. Bukas na ulit natin isipin ang mga problema. Kasi hindi naman sila mawawala tonight. At hindi naman natin kailangan solusyonan lahat ngayon, di ba? Pahinga muna, okay, baby? And one more thing. May sasabihin sana ako. Alam mo ba kung gaano kita ina-admire? Like, seriously. Ang sipag mo, mahal. Ang bait mo. At kahit na sobrang pagod ka na, nagagawa mo pa rin isipin ng ibang tao. Minsan nga, gusto ko na lang sabihin sa'yo na ikaw naman ang dapat unahin. Kahit minsan lang. Baby? Ayan. Hindi ka na sumasagot. Kising ka pa ba? Baby. Okay, gets ko na. Tinalugan mo na ako. But that's good. Finally. I know that you needed this. Wait lang, kunin ko lang yung kumot. There you go. Mas komportable ka na. I'm proud of you, baby. I'm always proud of you. Especially today. For surviving this day. For trying. For not giving up. Kahit mahirap, at kahit nakakapagod, you did it. And tomorrow, we'll face the new day again. Together. Okay? Pero ngayon, you need to sleep. Just sleep. Good night, mahal ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Sleep well. And sweet dreams. Dito lang ako.